For a Windows PC, you will need to download and install Brother iPrint&Scan Desktop. If you have already installed the software, you can skip this step. Download Brother iPrint&Scan from your product page on support.brother.com. Click Product Search. Enter your Brother device model number into the Search by Model Name field. For this video, we are using the MFC L3770CDW. Your operating system should be detected manually. From there, click OK. Scroll down to the Utilities section. Click on Brother iPrint&Scan and then click on the End User License Agreement to start downloading. If you are using an Apple Mac OS X, you can download the software directly from the Apple App Store. Go to the Apple App Store and search for Brother iPrint&Scan. Click Download, then Open. Make sure your Brother device is connected to your PC. If you are connecting via a network, make sure your Ethernet cable is connected, or if you are connecting via Wi-Fi, that you have completed the wireless setup. Alternatively, if you are using a USB connection, make sure your USB cable is connected to the machine and to your PC. After the download is complete, open the Brother iPrint&Scan app.